Drop it now. Once you drop it, make sure you sit down so we know that you're eliminated. Make sure to be catching with one hand. Oh, first person out. Make sure to sit down. Oh, another person out. I like for you guys to start hopping on one leg. Hop on one leg, hop on one leg, come on now. Hey, one leg, come on now. One leg. Hop it. Come on, I need you to hop. Another person. Oh, more people are coming down. Oh, the last people. Can I get a round of applause? We would like to thank the audience for their help. You guys can turn the ball back to Quinton and go back to your seats.